Hi, what's up, Polygon holder? It's game hour. In this video, my brother, I have two good news for all of you, my brothers. So kindly, this video is going to be very brandy now because I also predicate this coin. So let's get started this brand video. But kindly, before I get started video, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my brother. The first good news is that, my friends, to after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So from last 24 hours, my brother, this coin is starting moving upward now. In the last 24 hours, you can see that the chain occur will be negative now. So it's mean, my brothers, so they will recover now. And I hope, my friend, after in afternoon, my brothers, especially, they will give you a good profit now. So let's see, my brothers, do what they do. But kindly, we need to predicate this coin, and absolutely I will share opinion also. So let's get started with the video. Please, the good news is that they will move upward now, and I hope, my friends, they will move upward in the future will be bright now. But please, before you take any decision, research personally, because this is just financial. This is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. So this time, from last 7 days, this coin is completely fails down, and everybody cannot understand this, my friends. To after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So I clearly tell you, my brothers, to after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a jump. And because, my friend, this is the circulation, this is the formula, my friend, of cryptocurrencies. To after a fail, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. So therefore, my friend, not this to absolutely after a fails, they will take a jump. So exactly the last 7 days, you can see, your friend, they fails down. So everybody understand to after fails they take a jump. So I know, my brothers, to after this fail, they will take a very huge jump now. So my friend, let's see. But please holder, this time absolutely, if you're starting selling, so you are completely in the loss, because it's the end of month. Every cryptocurrency, everybody know this, to at the end of month will holder are starting buying, so they move upward now. So therefore I know, my brothers, so they will move upward now. So you need to hold it and wait for a good time, because the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So Polygon holder, don't do any mistake, don't sell it. And remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. So please hold it and don't sell it. Let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But I have second good news, my friends. So the second good news is that the giveaway of Polygon is coming soon. Please, if you want to participate, so just only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.